Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to download and save your Google Docs file in different formats, such as DOCX, which is the format used for Microsoft Word. So, let's get started. This tutorial should be pretty simple and easy to follow, so you should not worry if you are not familiar with the interface of Google Docs, because I will be here to assist you all throughout the process. Now, as you can see, I have here a file that I would like to save on my computer. Now, what I would do is click on File, and as you can see, it will bring down a lot of options here. Click on Download, and as you can see, we have various formats that we can use, such as DOCX or Microsoft Word, a PDF document, plain text, web page, and more. Now, if you are wondering how you are going to save this on Google Docs itself, you should not do anything, because Google Docs auto-saves your document to your Google Drive account. Again, click on File, Download, and choose a format right here. In my instance, I would like to download as PDF document. Click on that, and it will automatically download my file as a PDF document. As you can see, I can open my PDF document, and this is our file. Even if I make changes here, I can also go to File, Download, but this time I would download my file as a DOCX format. As you can see, it downloaded it. If I open my DOCX file, it will redirect me to the Microsoft Word software. As you can see, I have downloaded it in DOCX format. If you learned something in this video, please consider subscribing and hitting the like button. Thank you so much for watching.